Hello space engineers, this is my first video for my elevator Mark II design. By the way, English is not my main language, as you can probably understand from my accent, so sorry for my accent. I hope you can understand me easily. Well, let's see how this design works. Okay. Well, it's very similar to real elevators. Has an elevator shaft with 4 columns, and it stabilizes itself to the shaft with a set of wheels. I have used thrusters instead of rotors. Sorry, piston design by rotors, I can say, because you have to use menus to control rotors, and it's not fast, it's not practical for now, until we have some hotkey assignments for rotors. So this is more practical, but it's a little bit more dangerous, I guess, because of high power of thrusters. Well, let's see how it works. This is better than talking, I guess. As you can see, all the mechanism, our reactor, stabilizers, gyroscopes and wheels are at the bottom. Has 6 docking clamps at the bottom to fix it, to dock it at the bottom level. You can use standard flight controls. For example, you can lift it by space. You can use it really speedy, but you have to be careful when docking at the bottom or at the top. Because of the thruster's power, it can easily destroy itself. Well, it doesn't have much cosmetics because it is a proof of concept design. It's only for to show how the mechanics works. And someone asked me at the Steam shop if it can be built in survival without using copy and paste. It can easily be built without copy and paste. Well, let's see. First, let's undock it and take it a little bit down. It can hold its level easily by itself, thanks to gyroscopes. So you don't have to lock it every time. So let's erase that top side of the elevator shaft to set it free. Then we will add some side thrusters to reposition it, just like how you will have to build it in survival, or you can build it like that in Creator 2. You absolutely don't need to use any copy and paste, but you will have to use some side thrusters for it. Let's add some side thrusters for easy maneuvering. Well, one problem with this design is you will need some serious thruster power for it to move easily, even while you are building it, because it is built from heavy armor plates to make it more durable for easy landing of your ship. So it is really heavy. As you can see when I sit in cockpit, It is over, sorry, it is nearly 3 million kilograms. So, okay. Let's set it free from the elevator shaft, okay? As you can see, our elevator platform, or we can say cargo area, is separate from elevator shafts. You can build your platform separately in creative or in survival. You can build it elsewhere and then move it to the shafts. Of course, it will need some fine piloting. Really need to be careful. Just a little bit more, and yes, I guess we are in position. And we are descending it to the shafts. Okay. Now you can erase or grind all the side thrusters. We don't need them anymore. And our elevator platform is in place now. You can add some cosmetics. If you like, you can make it walls around it to make it look prettier, of course. It is a second cockpit at the bottom. Of course, maybe the biggest disadvantage of this design, it needs a large reactor to power large thrusters, but it has a really good power. It can even lift your heaviest ships or cargo or big asteroid chunks, doesn't matter. You just need to be a little bit careful when docking at the bottom, especially in the bottom, because of that ramp for land vehicles. Just like that. Finally, let me show you what happens if you are not careful. Like I said, because of these thrusters, this is a really overpowered design. So, if you are not careful while docking, it can easily destroy stuff, just like that. Okay, this was just for fun, okay? I hope you like my design. If you discover any flaws or have any suggestions, please write at the Steam shop. Thank you. By the way, I have postponed Mark III design for a little bit because I'm working on a foldable door design, because I want my designs to be compact as possible, especially for door designs. You have some space at the bottom for elevator designs, but door designs not so realistic to have a huge mechanism for a simple door. So I hope I fix some flaws of it to make it more stable. Then I will add this design to my elevator and make it a multi-platform elevator design. Thank you all. See you later. See you at my next design.